detailing space, and as you can see from those opening shots, today we've got an Audi Q5 coming. Now this belongs to a follower of mine over on Instagram, so it's great that you guys are recognizing me and wanting me to do your cars. So yeah, this is coming for a refresh, so to speak. So we're not going to be doing any polishing today, it's just going to be getting the exterior nicely cleaned and a bit protected, and the interior as well. So the owner is a smoker, so yay. And yeah, also got a dog, so there's ash and pet hair absolutely everywhere. So there's no set focus on what products I'm going to be using today, but I'm going to be using a bunch from Angel Wax. I thoroughly enjoyed using them a few weeks ago at my parents' car, and I'm just going to pick up whatever else I feel like using along the way. So anyway, enough rambling, let's get out there and do the detail. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to let you know about a detailing documentary that's coming out this autumn, hopefully around about October, November time. So this documentary is all about the history of detailing from the 50s and 60s, how it all began, to how we got to where we are today with the likes of ceramic coatings and moving into the graphene era. We've got some big names in this, including some guys from Turtle Wax. We've got Pan the Organizer, and we've also got the legendary Mike Phillips as well. So I hope that's going to be something you guys are going to be interested in. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to find out more about that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at randomly set and check out the detailing space as well to get more information on that. Hey guys, so there we have it then, and that's the detail all done. So hopefully you can agree the car looks as good as new, considering it's a 4-year-old car and the state it was in beforehand. Yeah, the owner come back and actually said himself it looks better than new. So that's absolutely fantastic. That's all we can ask for in details like this as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, please click this icon just up here. You'll be subscribed to our channel instantly. It doesn't cost you anything. We'll also put a couple of videos down below here that we think you guys might enjoy. So hope you've enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next video.